Hello guys, this is Taskbe and today I'm going to show you the invoice module. So here you can see the invoice job option. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to the invoice master list page, and here you can see the list of the single job invoice list, and also here is the second tab for the recurring job list of invoices. You can also search or filter by client, by employee, or address name, job ID, PO address, uh, and also you can download the CSV for the single job or recurring job. So once you click on the particular ID of the invoice, then you will be redirected to the job detail for particular. Here you can see all the detail like job task, job history, date, time, and all the things. Here is the multiple menu for the invoices. Like here you can add employee in job from here. You can also extend the job. If you want to compose the mail to send the job data, then you can compose the mail from here. Here is the option for the add comments. Here is the for edit the job data. Also you can see the uploaded images and all the things from here. And here is the invoice detail. You can update the invoice detail and generate the new invoice. So then click on the generate invoice, then the PDF will be generated, and you can see the PDF with all the data of the invoices. If you want to send the invoice PDF to the client, then here is the button for the PDF sent to the client. Once you click on that, the mail will be successfully sent to the email ID of the particular client. And now you can see the invoice is sent. If you want to compose the mail, then you can write the subject message and the particular recipient, and once you click on to send, the mail will be sent to the particular recipient ID. Also you can generate the PDF from there, as same as the we have generated invoice, and same for the recurring job. Thank you.